Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat fidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Unang yalam kaliang persya hakayeng darbar thawan hakani ke jelam Meghalaya, Dr. Mukul sangma. Henne kasngi ka artarik ubnai risau raja katpra. Kulakan thok ya ka Sorkar pedeng NDA. Balayalam da ka BJP da ka baong bakani ka Sorkar kala Shet Shukor ki Paidbah ke jelam Meghalaya. Hak bedai bar ke jimbamla ban penurlong ya ki juban lak kaba kala klai ki Paidbah haswa ke election. Hakaji kendo bar kinong patai kubor hakayeng sa jungu hakani kanong ba shalong. Dr. Mukul sama ulakan thoru baka BJP kala supersang ban chupan ngop iki Paidbah haman laki election. Khamtam haki election jet MLA sakayeng darbar thawan ke jela. Hakaba kala kular ban wengno ya kajing khang ti doyong hapo sispa propose ngi. Handrai kat hadu menta kani kajing kular kala syusa kon tang haka manifesto jong ke election. Dr. Mukul sama ula angru baka Sorkar jela MDA hapo ke jelam jong konrad ke sama kedai tang Sorkar da kawai par kador jong ke BJP bad ya kani kajing le jong ki Paidbah hi kin sa ajubab da ka basai hake election sakayeng darbar thawan kari kaban salong house nam arjar kat khandai banwan hakani kajing kendo bar kinong pathai ko bor sipor hakayeng sa jong Dr. Mukul sangma ulakran sokhiaru halor kajing kandrai ki khna samla hakani ka jok menta ki bakloi ban ngop how drugs ulong bakani baro kadai namar kajing bam dan porsho jong ki kmik pa yala ki khon ki kti ki bamenta ki la shui lapmen bat bon kam tang haki social media nadu ka por mustap hadu janmet.
Now, if we go by the figure that they are saying in course of their rhetoric, they have adopted this strategy. If they keep on telling lies, people will believe. That is the only strategy they have adopted. Did they not promise the people, okay, within this many months, we will do. This government has done nothing to lift the ban on coal mining. Did they not say? Not just NPP. Yeah. Even BJP leaders say. So they have been indulging in this whole rhetoric which revolves around complete lies, because they know that if they keep on lying, people will believe. But who are you cheating? You are cheating the people of the region, you are cheating the people of the nation. That means you are cheating the nation. I can cheat, I can lie, but how does it help? Because people will find out, no, oh, Dr. Mukul Sama has cheated, Dr. Mukul Sama has lied. That's why I tell people, see, all through our political innings, what is important for us to, at the end of the day, we are representing people. If your elected representative keep on lying, how will you feel? So I used to tell people of the state whenever I am addressing our people, or even during election, the electorates, I said, have you found any time when we have indulged in lies and lies and lies? We have not. If we have not been able to deliver because of some problem, that is a practical problem. That type of problem will always be there. Challenges will always be there. But the issue is that we don't lie. If we are in government, that's what they say, they are in government.
You allow us to form the government, or you allow us to lead the government.
Are they not leading the government? They are leading the government. Who is Conrad Sama? He's a BJP nominee only. Yeah. He's a BJP nominee. Let us be very clear on that. So they are having their own nominee. When you see the day on the 6th of March, what was the scene? Yeah. So what has happened in the behind the scene, which I and you are not witness to, but we as politicians, we know that Mr. Conrad Sama is the nominee of BJP only. Now, having seen their anti-people agendas, there are many anti-people agendas. There's notification of Ministry of Forest, Environment and then Climate Change. Is it not anti-people notification? Now they are quietly implementing this one, because they have their own nominee here in Meghalaya. You have seen that notification, no? The notification that in the name of prevention of cruelty on animals by the Ministry of Forest and Environment and Climate Change.
Something like that.
Then they have a separate particular para only for cattle. You have seen that notification.
Cow slaughter.
Cow slaughter. Now what has happened? We have all collectively said no to this notification. But now quietly these people who are in government, because they are a partner of BJP, they are allowing this notification to be implemented in the state. Once you see people affected because of this notification, then all these political parties also will realize that they have cheated. They are still in a honeymoon period, that's why they are not seeing what is happening. That's why we are referring it to honeymoon period. Because even though these things are happening already, they are turning blind eyes. So every state will be affected by this kind of anti-people agendas of the BJP-led government in center, and then BJP's agendas, I should say. There is no alternative. BJP was an alternative, people have tried and tested, you are seeing what is happening. So at the end of the day, for a nation like ours, where we draw real pride based on the strength, because of the diversity of this great nation, it is only Congress who can actually be a relevant party in the years to come. Other parties will always be an instrument in creating divide, in creating chaos, in creating misunderstanding, and will be definitely a reason for, or rather will become a threat to the sustainability of our democracy. So therefore the relevant party will always be Congress. You know, I know that what is the pulse of the people, what is the feeling of the people. If there is an election now, we will still win we will win more than 36, okay?